knots until loop, please. 170 till loop.
170 to loop, air show 623.
Don't again at 2281, 4000.
You got it 2281, Pacific Bridge, 19 left. You're trying to 817 heavy, you're clear ILS 19 left, and maintain 160 knots till loop.
Okay, we'll maintain 160 and the clear ILS 19 stack there, China 817.
Air China 817 heavy, coming Dulles Tower now, 120.1. Air China 817 heavy, coming Dulles Tower, 120.1.
120.1, Air China 817.
Air Shuttle 6023, contact Dulles Tower, 120.1, 20.1, and traffic ahead is flowing to good. Slow back down to 160 for me, please. Contact Tower 20.1.
160 internal, 20.1, air shuttle 6023.
You got a 2398, just going to maintain 2,500, turn left heading 280. 2,500 heading 280, United 2398. Headed 2281, reduce speed to 210.
Well, it's 210, yeah, 2281.
You got a 2398, turn left into 220, going to 19 left, localizer. 220 on the heading, turn to 19 left, localizer, United 2398. Approach from 50 X-ray, good afternoon, down 4000 and localizer 1 and Airframe 50 X-ray, heavy, becoming thank you, just going to maintain 3000.
The maintain 3000 and 50 X-ray.
Reel me in to get it going. Open me up. Sweet talking like you mean it, but you're making it so complicated.
You had a 2398, you're a mile and a half from Dupert, maintain 2000 till established on localizer, and you're cleared ILS 19 left approach, all the way down to 2 till established. Okay, then 2000 till established, cleared ILS 19er left, and 23. Airframe 50 X-ray heavy, reduce speed to 210.
Reducing 210 on there from 50
You had a 2281, just going to maintain 3000.
3000 feet, 2281.
Give me something straight from your heart. All this insecurity is tearing me apart. You're making me sleepless. You're making me sleepless. Yeah. I keep losing in this game of playing pretend. I don't wanna be a 4 a.m. I'm suffocating. Just by
You had a 2398, what's your speed now? I'm doing 199, 2398. Yeah, 2398, reduce speed to 180, hold that till loop, and caution to make sure that you're just under 7 miles and trail the heavy 777. 180 knots till loop, that is 2398.
maybe I'm not. I think about it way too much, and every single thought is making me.
Airframe 50 X-ray heavy, you are over stretch, you're cleared ILS 19 left approach.
So that legs 100 left from 50 X-ray.
You had a 2281, reduce speed to 180.
Little 180, 922.
55, 699, that's 4,000.
Exit to 699, become prepared, Roger. 2398, contact Dallas Tower 120.1, get it? 0.1, United 2281, just going to maintain 2,500, turn left heading 280.
2,500 left to 280, United 2281.
Position 699, reduce speed to 190.
Reduce to 190, take to 699.
United 2398, tower 20.1. Airframe 50, X-ray heavy, reduce speed to 170, contact Dallas Tower 120.1.
Reduce speed 170 and 1201 is from
United 2281, turn left heading of 220.
09, 2281.
Yeah, 2281, speed of 1, just hold speed of 190 till loose, please.
I'll give you 190 to loose.
Ignition 699, reduce speed to 170.
170.
Ignition 699, just slow, maintain 3000.
Crossword right, short of 4 to the left, and draft point 9 over Jervis 662.
Mr. 35 Hotel, thanks. Radio service terminated. Squawk VFR for exchange for we'll see. Air 440, contact ground point on. We'll soar.
Over the ground, yeah, get forward.
For 9er Pop Echo, continue holding in position. Can you maintain your train and obstruction clearance to 2,000 feet?
Yeah, we can 9 Pop Echo.
Thanks. Breaker 5863, contact departure.
5863, good day.
November 9er Papa Echo, turn left 270, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Left 270, clear takeoff, 33 left, down Pop Echo.
Breaker 5744, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 6 mile final.
33 left, line up and wait, break 5744.
Super 1 Bravo Super Boston Tower, 1 departure, priority arrival, Embraer, runway 33 left, clear to land. JetBlue 1566, turn right kilo, hold short 4 left, take ground point 9er.
Right kilo, hold short of 4 left, I'm going to ground up to.
Air 5744, traffic 3 mile final behind you, previous departure is a left turn out, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Let's take out 33 left for Air 5744.
Clear wing 931, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Charlie,
1031 Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie. For 9er Papa Echo, contact departure.
Contact departure, 9 Pop Echo, sorry for the late turn.
No worries.
You all. Alright, turn right, I'm going to have an initial, probably short of kilo, to left 51.
Thanks, what's your gauge today?
Get 34, to left 51.
For 5744, traffic 12 o'clock and 5 miles southbound to helicopter at 1,000 feet. Should be no factor for you. Contact departure, we'll see you.
Inside over to departure for Garrett 744, take care.
JetBlue 2065, Boston Tower, cross 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie, JetBlue 2065.
Brickyard 3528, Boston Tower, cross runway 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie, Brickyard 3528.
JetBlue 1254 is a motor.
JetBlue 1254, Boston Tower, traffic will be crossing runway 27, clear to land, say gate.
Clear to land 27, going to gate C26 today, JetBlue 1254.
Thank you. Southwest 2937, runway 33 left, line up and wait.
FOA 33 left, Southwest 2937.
One Bravo Super, taxi via Lima and monitor ground point 9er.
Lima ground point 9, C1 Bravo.
You just taxi in and monitor them.
It'll be occupied for another 20 minutes or so.
Okay, and it's definitely going to be 34.
That's what they say, and they see that they don't have another gate for it. So, I mean, we'll let you know. We're monitoring them as well to see if there's any updates if they get another gate. But for now, it's 34.
All right, well, they're training on ground, so that's good practice for them. You can contact ground point 9 and they'll figure out a spot to put you.
All right, well, we'll put it to the Cessna. No, ground point 9, thanks, JetBlue 161.
Boston Tower, Falcon 280 Bravo Delta.
November 280 Bravo Delta, Boston Tower, following Emperor on a 5-mile final. Traffic holds on the cross your runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 27, 280 Bravo Delta.
100, 50, 40, 30.
The 49 Boston Tower, cross 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie, JetBlue 49.
Pier 82 Boston Tower, cross 27 at Charlie.
Cross 27 at Charlie,
Southwest 2937, runway 33 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 33 left, Southwest 2937.
True at 901, runway 33 left, line up and wait, traffic 4 miles final, 27.
33 left, line up and wait, 901.